Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by confirming prerequisites: controller or keyboard, a 60+ FPS target, and stable internet if needed. Once done, load the Yukimiya Azure Latch build and equip the core components plus the 1/2 power module. This ensures basic stability and timing. Then select your map or arena and choose the initial safe route so you know your first objectives. As you move, keep inputs deliberate, short taps for precision, longer holds for charged actions, because consistency sets up the rest of the run. You now execute the core mechanics. Chain latch combos by pressing light, light, then heavy with tight timing to maximize damage and maintain flow. Once the Azure meter hits 50% or higher, use it to extend range and stagger opponents. This is why you saved meter early. Make sure to manage stamina with short bursts and roughly 2-second rests. Reposition between engagements to avoid getting cornered. As you practice, refine your rhythm so inputs become reflexive and your conservation choices deliberate. You finish fights by committing to a charged heavy plus an Azure finish on high-value targets. This secures kills and uses leftover meter efficiently. If you get stuck or opponents interrupt, reset your positioning by backstepping twice and reapplying a simple latch combo to regain control. Make sure to adjust sensitivity or rebind keys if inputs feel delayed by more than 0. 1 seconds, small latency kills timing. Finally, review any failed attempts and change one variable at a time so you learn consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.